This one is we work on the biker show, and today that is people is bring to me that is heirloom, and this very old. Okay, this is silver, and this is a broken mirror, and you can fix it. It's more simple if you use activator one side and glue another side, and you can use the Germany adhesive. Okay, Black Bull. Now, first that I put activator one side I put activator. And activator 5 minutes is not dry, non-flammable. And another side I put glue, 1 drop glue, split it around. Okay. And very simple, you can fix it. Put together. And few seconds that is dry. Okay, now you can see that extra glue. It's very more simple that you can move extra glue. And this already bond.
Закрой, покажи его. О, красивая какая штука.